Welcome back, my fellow Watcheteers. It is time. It is time for the 1 week on the wrist review of the SRPD81K1. It's been a week, a little bit more than a week, in fact. And yeah, how did the watch perform? Um, First of all, great. It's awesome. The watch is more than I had hoped for. It wears so comfortably. It is on time every day, and it's running a bit fast. It's about 10 seconds a day fast, which is okay because I prefer my watches to run fast. In that case, I just can pull out the crown, hack the seconds for half a minute or so, and it is back on time. Uh, when it's on the opposite side, when the watch runs slow, you do have to engage the hands and set the time, which is no biggie either. But it is a bit more comfortable to just hack the watch and have it back on time. And the 81K1 is it's an awesome watch. If you're looking for a tactical style watch with PVD coding and all the bangs and whistles, then consider the 81K1. It is just it's just beautiful. It's just beautiful to watch, and it wears so comfortably. I do put it on my Barton NATO strap because the Barton is already broken in and it's a bit softer than the original Seiko strap. It is better. The Barton strap is better, and with the cloth retaining loop, it's just more comfortable to wear, and the hardware is also a bit better than the original from the one from the Seiko strap. And to be honest, guys, I struggle to wear another watch. I wore this about a week and a half, day in and day out, and I struggle to wear another watch. It is so comfortable. It looks so damn good, and the coating is holding up so good. I already managed to ding it on the door frame and on the table edge, but not a scratch, nothing, not even, not even any sign of contact whatsoever. It is just that good. And when you consider what I paid for the watch, it's a no-brainer. It's around, I paid around $100, but normally you can get it for $200. And for $200, I struggle to find another watch that excites me like this one. This watch, it has a wow factor. It has a dazzle factor because the blue is so vibrant, and with the lume on it, you can read it at night. Not as clear as the other SRPDs because it is a bit toned down, the lume on this, but it's perfect, guys. It's just perfect. Maybe what I think about is changing the bezel insert, maybe, because the blue on the bezel insert is a bit more neon-ish than the blue on the hands and the indices. But this is something for the future, I guess. But in the end, this watch is a perfect companion. It's utilitarian. It's a tool watch aesthetic, even military aesthetic. It looks beautiful. It wears so comfortable, and it's bang on time. I love it. I love it, and I will wear this from now on as my daily driver to work, and maybe I will wear the other SRPD on the weekend or the Casio Oceanis on the weekend. But I do struggle to put on another watch because this is just a so comfortable and awesome watch and awesome value for money. Even the chapter ring lines up, as I said in my unboxing video, and you struggle to find another watch in that price category that offers me such a wow factor. I love to look at it. I find myself looking at it 10, 15 times a day just to look at it because it is beautiful. The black, the blue, how the brushed hands play with the light, the black date and chapter wheel. Man, this is the perfect watch. There are no particular downsides I can recall instantly, because there are none. Maybe the QC issues on other badges of this watch may vary, but this one has no QC issues. The bezel action is so nice. Maybe the click and half click is one of the things I don't like about the watch, because you have a click and a half click, but in the end that doesn't bother me that much, and the bezel action is just perfect. Guys, if you're looking for a tactical style watch with a bit different color scheme, because it is the only black and neon blue PVD watch I found online. Maybe there are other models from other manufacturers, but I didn't find any. So do consider this one. Do consider the 81K1. It's a proven movement. It's a proven manufacturer with awesome quality and a very reasonable price. Do not pay $300 for it, though. This is a bit steep to pay $300 for this watch. There are other watches for $300 that are maybe a bit better, but for $200 or less, it's a no-brainer. Yeah, but tell me what you think about it. Do you also have this model? Do you like the models, the new Seiko 5 models? And I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you're doing fine out there, and stay as you are, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.